In order to add any events that you might want to add to your patient's charts, such as reminders for things coming up that you wanted to pay attention to, in the patient's chart, on the information page at the top right next to Edit, this button that looks like a plus within a box, you click that, and this is now how you can add an event for your patient. So you can indicate what type of event, such as scheduling, eligibility, whatever category you want to indicate it's for. It will automatically say pending. You can tag any specific users that you would want, tag a specific case for the patient, and then make a remark about what that reminder is. So you can indicate, such as, don't schedule the week of August 1st, for example, in order to block it and to give yourself that reminder. So you would click save. Now that event has been saved. So if you scroll down in their chart, different events are going to be listed here. So you have these different pending events for that patient. If you've then completed it, such as check insurance coverage one, I can come here and be able to click edit at the top, open the actions, update the event, and change it from pending to complete, save it, or if you don't want it showing up anymore, you can also, under actions, click delete event and take that event off of the schedule or off of their chart as well. So it's available as needed.